Hello friends, I am S.U. Kakade, working as lecturer in CSMSS Polytechnic College, Aurangabad. Today's topic is switch decision making statement. We will study how to use switch statement. Learning outcome of this lecture will be use of switch statement, how to use that switch statement, write program using switch statement, and develop multiple logic based programs using switch statement. First of all, we will see syntax of switch statement. Syntax is as shown on the screen. Keyword switch is used, case keyword is also used, break keyword is used, and default keyword is used. There are four keywords are used in syntax of switch statement. First, switch expression bracket open case label 1 statement 1, then break case label 2 colon statement 2 break case label n, means you can write multiple cases in a switch statement. And lastly, as per requirement, you can write default statement. If you do not want to write default statement, you can also not write default statement. First, we will see simple program to display a spelling of a number between 1 to 5 as per entered by a keyboard. First of all, you have to include a header files of a program that are required to execute your functions included in a program. For example, stdio.h is needed because we are writing printf and scanf functions that are defined in a stdio.h file, and we are also including conio.h. The clr scr, that means clear screen function, is included in conio.h file. Then write main function, then declare a variable, means we have to accept one number, so declare one variable, that is n. You can declare a name of variable as per your choice. Then we have to clear a previous output on this output screen, then include clr scr function to clear the previous output displayed on the output screen. Then accept one number, that is whose mean spelling is to be displayed on the screen, and that is stored in the n. Switch n means we have to jump to the value n as per entered by the user. If user enter 1, then case 1 will be executed. If user enter 2, then case 2 will be get executed, like this. If enter 3, then case 3 will be executed, like this. We have written for example, we have entered 2, then we can give a printf spelling of 2 percent is 2, that means percent means you enter 2, then spelling of 2 is two. If you enter 4, then case 4 will get executed, the spelling of 4 is four will get displayed. For example, see that when default statement will get executed, if you have entered a number less than 1 or greater than 5, then default statement will executed. Please enter number between 1 to 5. Output, for example, enter a number to display spelling, that is 4. Spelling of 4 is four will be the output. Try yourself by giving different inputs, that will give you a spelling or a default message. This is reflection points of your lecture. That means try by yourself so that you can better understand the concept of switch statement. First program is write a program to display day of a week by accepting number from user. That is, if your user enter 1, then Monday should be displayed. User enter 2, then Tuesday, and respectively. Write program to display whether entered character is OL or consonant. A, E, I, O, U are the OLs and other are consonant. As per user enter, message should be displayed. And third, write program to display month by accepting number from user. For example, user enter 1, then display Jan. User enter 2, then display Feb. User enter 3, then display March, respectively. Thank you. For any query, you can mail me or you can WhatsApp me. Thank you for watching video.